Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss about ChatGPT version 4.0, which is recently launched by OpenAI, okay, which is available free of cost up to some extent, okay. Then after we have to upgrade our plan, fine. So this one is little bit faster than the previous one. Same way, we can get so many work done easily with good accuracy. And the main thing is we can upload images and we can get our work done, okay. So I'm going to upload this balance sheet and we are going to ask for insights from that particular balance sheet, and we can get proper details from this balance sheet, okay. So my balance sheet has been uploaded. Now I can write a prompt like give insights from this image and explain in proper way, fine. So this one is my prompt. You can write as per your requirement, fine. Now let's see what ChatGPT revert. So this one is compared to balance sheet, okay, fine. So you can see that it has been given that balance sheet of Reliance Jio, and it has given comparison like asset and liability, whatever, increase or decrease from the previous one, fine. And it has given very good presentation, assets as well as liability wise, fine. And summary is here, okay. Now I can give another prompt, either if I want data in a tabular form, or if I need a graphical presentation, then I can write the same thing. Same way I can also forecast, okay. So I'm just giving, please forecast the data for the next year. So on the basis of balance sheet data, ChatGPT will forecast the data, okay. So here you can see that next year assuming similar growth pattern. So on the basis of this pattern, it will forecast, okay. So you can see that our forecasted data. So this one is very fantastic, fine. Now you can create a comparison with the current data as well as forecasting data. Same way you can also create a table or chart on the basis of this data, fine. Now let's upload next image. So this one is musical instrument, and I'm not aware about what is this and from where I can buy, how I can play. So I'm just giving a prompt, which product is this, how to use it, and from where I can buy it, okay. In India, I am just giving specific location, okay. So this one is Melodica, okay. So all the details from this image has been generated. How to use a Melodica, okay. It shows a very good steps here. Same way where to buy Melodica, and it has also given offline store information, okay. Now let's upload the third image. So this one is question, okay, from investment. So let's upload this image, and I'm giving prompt, give answer from the image and explain the same as I am 10-year-old person, okay. Now let's see what ChatGPT revert. Okay, so this one is step-by-step presentation. Okay, initial investment and timing, understanding time periods, then calculating contributions, then total profit and share of profit. Okay, calculating profit share ratio, then find share. Okay, so this one is very good presentation, and this one is our answer, which is right. Okay, this one is correct answer. Now okay, I have uploaded 3 images. Now whenever I try to upload, here you can see that you have reached your file upload limit. Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or try again later. So let's try again later. Probably I have to upload the plan, or I have to wait for some hours. If I want to upload new files, then I have to upgrade my plan. Okay. Fine. So another thing is that on the in version 4.0, you can get real-time data. You can get data from the particular websites. Fine. So I'm just giving the information, like I want data of my YouTube channel. Okay. Like I need details of upgraded 0 YouTube channel. Fine. So it will revert me basic detail of my channel, what kind of video I'm making, and it will give some suggestions also, as you can see here. Okay. So if I ask another question, it will revert me in a proper way. Fine. So in this way, we can use ChatGPT 4.0, fine, which is faster and more accurate than the previous one. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.